my name's Tommy, and today I'd like to give you a fresh tip to help with adjusting your positioning for nose rides. This is for those of you who are struggling to position perfectly in the pocket in order to hang a 10. If you want to learn more about setting up nose rides, we have a series of free tutorials on our YouTube page. But for those of you who keep finding that you're a little bit in front of the section, try using your hands to stall the board a little bit and bring you back towards the pocket. Now, whilst this might not be how you want your surfing to end up, it is a super useful trick in getting you used to knowing just how deep you need to be to nose ride. Have fun with this and let us know how you go.